Hello. In this video, you will become familiar with periodical databases at the MiraCosta College Library, and in particular with Academic Search Ultimate. To get to this database and other periodical databases, simply click the Library menu and select Articles under Find. Academic Search Ultimate is listed right at the top. You will also see JSTOR, which we will be exploring in another video. Before we start searching, we want to make sure you know the difference between EBSCO and Academic Search Ultimate. You may have heard this database referred to as EBSCO, but the actual name of the database is Academic Search Ultimate. EBSCO is the name of the company that distributes dozens of different databases. Academic Search Ultimate is just a periodical search. I always like to go to the advanced search. Here you will see several search boxes where you can enter your keywords. Keywords, of course, are the most important words in your research question. You might notice that this is different than Google, which only has one search box. Another important difference from Google is that in a database, you only want to put one keyword or keyword phrase in each box. So let's say our research question is, what impact does physical activity have on the mental health of college students? So let's put in physical activity and college students and see how many results we get. So we have over 2,500 search results. While in Google that may seem okay, but for searching periodical databases, you want to narrow it down much more than that. So the missing piece of my search is that I mentioned mental health. So I'm going to type that as my third keyword phrase and click on search. So now we're down to 260, which is much more reasonable. Talking about advanced search techniques in the next unit of this course, but for now we're just sticking with using the boxes to add our keywords or keyword phrases. Remember also that we want to make sure that we're looking at full text. I can also change the publication date to further narrow it down. Let's say for my topic I only want the past 10 years. And I can also narrow down to academic journals, magazines, conference papers, newspapers, etc. So for this particular one, I'm going to go ahead and click on academic journals. We also call them scholarly journals. So we've narrowed it down a little bit. We're still at around close to 300, but after doing our limiting, we want to take a look at the articles and see if there are articles that are on target. This looks perfect, exploring the relationships of physical activity, emotional intelligence, and mental health among college students. So that kind of pulls everything together. So let's go ahead and click on that. And again, like all EBSCO databases, we have our information here. We have our authors. We have the source, which is the title of the journal. This is really important. People often get confused between the title of the article, which is here, and the title of the publication, which is the journal title. We'll also need to know the volume, the issue, the pages, in addition to the year. You can always read the brief abstract, and if it looks like something we want to go to, we just click on PDF full text to see the entire article. I always prefer the PDF version because 1, it saves paper, 2, it's a little easier to read, and 3, this is how it appeared in the original. So when you cite pages, the pages are here. Okay. So let's say I want to keep this. I have the option of emailing to myself, printing it, downloading it, or I can also, once again, download it to my Google Drive. And finally, don't forget the citation feature. And we can check out the MLA and copy and paste this into our paper or into our Google Drive. Again, we must always compare it against the library's MLA guide. So to conclude, Academic Search Ultimate provides exclusively full-text periodical articles and is a great database for locating current information on a topic.